What's up guys, Joey here with YugaTech, and here in front of me I have a phone that a lot of people are excited about nowadays. This is basically the Chinese version of the Xiaomi Mi Note 10. This is the CC9 Pro. Basically the same exact phone as the Mi Note 10. This one right here just has the Chinese version of MIUI installed. So we have a lot to cover with this guy, including a crazy high megapixel count. It's a 108 megapixel main camera. So before any of that, let's get this guy out of the box. So here, lifting up the lid, we get the unit itself. Here we go, we have it in the white color. Very nice, set that aside for now. Underneath that, another box. Opening that up, we get a SIM ejector tool over here. Have some paperwork for warranty cards, whatever. Set that aside. We get a clear silicone case, fairly usual. Alright. And that's what it looks like on the phone. Pretty basic. And finally we have the USB Type-C cable and its corresponding charger. Alright, so yeah, this is a 30-watt charger over here, which is good because we have a huge battery with this guy. So right off the bat, this phone looks and feels amazing. It's almost like a flagship device. In fact, to me, it's a lot like the Huawei P30 Pro. We get a similar looking camera setup at the back, which of course includes the 108 megapixel sensor. And right away, it's a really hefty device. I mean, this guy is thick. That's thanks to the huge 5260 mAh battery. Both the front and back panels sport 3D curved glass, so it's super sleek looking and comfortable to hold. However, I'm not a big fan of the curved display. I mean, what's the point? Yeah, it's curved, which looks cool, but it doesn't do anything to eliminate the side bezels, which are still present. But I do like how the top bezel and chin aren't super thick, and the water drop notch up top is kinda small. That's a 6.47-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2340 by 1080, and it's got Gorilla Glass 5 protection, which is nice. On the right side, we have the volume and power buttons, as well as the dual SIM tray, which unfortunately does not include a micro SD slot. At the bottom, we get the loudspeaker, main microphone, Type-C port, and headphone jack. While on top, we get the secondary noise cancelling mic and IR blaster, which is pretty neat. So far with this phone, I'm really liking the design. It's not perfect, sure, but it is really nice. Alright, so powering this phone is the Snapdragon 730G chipset, and our unit here has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. And for battery, again, it's a huge 5260 mAh capacity with support for 30-watt fast charging. These are solid mid-range internal specs, and we're expecting good performance out of this phone. For software, again, for this video, we're using the CC9 Pro, so we get the Chinese version of MIUI. But rest assured, if you get the Mi Note 10, it gets the global version of MIUI. In any case, that's Android 9 Pie out of the box. For cameras, well, it's got a lot. We get 5 at the back, that's a 108 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom, 5 megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom, a 20 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens. And up front, we get a single 32 megapixel front facing camera. Now, that's more than a handful, so do stay tuned for our full review for a complete evaluation of this guy's cameras, but for now, check out these sample shots. So the Mi Note 10, aka the Xiaomi CC9 Pro, it's not officially available in the Philippines just yet. You guys will have to wait for that. But if you're interested in where we got our unit, we got our Xiaomi CC9 Pro from the folks over at Shandi, priced at 26,200 pesos. Now, what do you guys think about the Mi Note 10, aka the Xiaomi CC9 Pro? Let us know what you think in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to see future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.